Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to get your product featured by major sites. Let's get into it.
In today's video, we'll explore how to feature your product on major sites using Amazon's Creator Connections. This feature allows sellers to connect with influencers who can effectively showcase products to their audiences, increasing visibility on platforms like BuzzFeed and Forbes. First, log into Amazon Seller Central and navigate to the advertising section. Select Creator Connections and begin by creating a campaign. Choose a meaningful name for your campaign that reflects its purpose, such as Sustainable Product Launch. Next, focus on the campaign overview. Describe your product, emphasizing its unique selling points. For example, if you're promoting a kitchen gadget, highlight its innovative design and functionality. Be clear about your campaign goals, whether it's to drive sales or enhance brand awareness. Clear objectives help influencers tailor their content effectively. It's beneficial to provide influencers with key talking points about your product. This can include features and customer success stories. Additionally, consider offering promotional codes for influencers to share with their followers. This not only encourages purchases, but also allows you to track campaign success. Choosing the right influencers is crucial. Look for those whose audiences align with your product's market. While filtering by niche can be helpful, being open to broader searches may reveal valuable partnerships. Regarding budgeting, setting a competitive budget is essential. A higher budget attracts quality influencers, and a commission rate of around 10% is generally effective.
After structuring your campaign, add your products with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. This will provide influencers with the best materials to work with. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance by checking engagement and conversion metrics. Use this data to optimize your strategy as needed. By utilizing Amazon's Creator Connections, you can effectively enhance your product's visibility across major platforms. Focus on authentic collaboration with influencers to drive results. With the right approach, you'll see your product featured prominently, leading to increased visibility and sales. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.